Hello guys, in previous lecture we have started logic gates. In that lecture we have learned what is electronics logic and what is mathematical logic. Also we have learned similarities or differences between electronics and mathematical logic. Then we have learned first basic gate, that is AND gate, and one connective from mathematical logic, that is conjunction. Today we will learn OR gate, NOT gate, and from mathematical logic, disjunction and negation. So let's start with OR gate. The OR gate is a basic digital gate that implements logical disjunction. This is the symbol of OR gate, and the logical equation is y is equal to a plus b. Here I would like to clear one thing, that this a plus b is not binary addition, it is Boolean equation or Boolean addition. Here is the truth table: a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, y will be 0. When a is 0, b is 1, y is 1. A is 1, b is 0, y is 1. A is 1, b is 1, y is 1. Or we can say when a is at logic 0 or logic low and b is at logic 0 or logic low, y will be 0 or logic low. In the same manner, a is at logic 0, b is at logic 1, y is at logic 1. A is at logic 1, b is at logic 0, y is at logic 1. A is at logic 1, b is at logic 1, y is at logic 1. So we can say that from truth table it is clear that the output of OR gate is high if at least one input is high. Here it is. At least one input is high, output is high. If both the inputs are low, output is low. Now, the OR gate is also known as inclusive OR gate. Now, let's see the switching diagram. The switching representation. Here is the switching representation of OR gate, where switch A will be open at 0 and will be closed at 1. Similarly, switch B will be open at 0 and closed at binary 1. In the same manner, the lamp will be on or lamp will glow when output is 1, and lamp will off when output is 0. So here are the condition: when A is 0, when switch A is at 0 and switch B is at 0. So let's see, here it is. Switch A is at 0, B is at 0. Current starts flowing from positive terminal of the battery, and as both the switches are open, the circuit is incomplete and hence lamp is in off state, that is 0. So when A is 0, B is 0, lamp is also off, or y is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Current start flowing from here. As A is open, it will not go through A, it will pass through B, because current has a property to flow through minimum resistance path. And here when A is open, the resistance is infinity, and when B is closed, the resistance is 0. Hence current will flow through B and lamp will glow. That means lamp value y is equal to 1. Here it is, y is equal to 1. Now let's see, when A is equal to, switch A is at 1, switch B is at 0. A is at 1, B is at 0. Now this time the current will flow through switch A and the circuit completes. Hence lamp will glow. Hence we get output y is equal to 1. Now switch A and switch B both are at 1, or we can say both are closed. So here is the condition: both are closed. So current came here, it divides into two switches, switch A and switch B, and then again at this point they will sum and go to the lamp. The circuit is closed, hence lamp will glow. So we get y is equal to 1. Now let's see 3 input OR gate. Here are the 3 terminals A, B and C, and here is the output terminal Y. Now, so logical equation will be y is equal to A plus B plus C. The definition says of OR gate that if at least one input is high, output is high. So when A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, all the inputs are at low, output will be low. A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. One input is high, output will be high. Look at here, one input is high, output is high. Again, here are more than one inputs are high, output is high. So if any one input is high, output will be high. Now let's see mathematical disjunction. If two statements P, Q, here both P and Q are in small letters. If two statements P, Q are combined using connective OR, then it is called as disjunction, denoted by a V symbol and read as P disjunction Q or P or Q. The disjunction P or Q is said to be true if at least any one statement is true. Here it is. If statement P is false, statement Q is false, P or Q is false. If P is false, Q is true, P or Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, P or Q is true. If P is Q is true, P is true, Q is true, P or Q is true. Now, if I want to see the similarities between OR gate and disjunction, so when A is at 0, B is at 0, Y is 0, P is F, Q is F, P or Q is F. When A is 0, B is 1, Y is 1. When P is F, Q is T, P or Q is T. When A is 1, B is 0, Y is 1. When P is true, Q is false, P or Q is true. When A is 1, B is 1, Y is 1. When P is true, Q is true, P or Q is true. So we can say that disjunction is equivalent to OR gate. Now let's move to the next topic, NOT gate. In digital logic, an inverter or NOT gate is a logic gate which implements logical negation. Here NOT gate is also known as inverter. As AND gate and OR gates are multiple input terminal gates, but the NOT gate is single input single output terminal gate. Logical equation y is equal to a bar. Here bar means you have to do the negation or you have to invert. That means 0, if you give 0 at the input, output will be 1 or inverted of 0. If you give 1 at the input, output a bar will be 0. Clear? Now, from truth table, it is clear that the output of NOT gate is invert of the input. Here is the switching representation. When A goes to 0, A bar closed and hence circuit completes and lamp will glow. Let's see the mathematical logic negation. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false and false when P is true is called as negation of P, denoted by this symbol P. Truth table, when P is true, negation of P is false, and when P is false, negation of P is true. Now let's see. When A is 0, Y is 1. When P is F, negation of P is true. When A is 1, A bar is 0. When P is true, negation of P is false. That's all about today. Tomorrow we will start derived gates. Thank you.